Ever pondered about the quality of air inside your home? Surprisingly, indoor air can be more polluted than outdoor air, posing adverse effects on our health. Fear not, for today we delve into an aesthetic and natural solution: houseplants for cleaner air, health indoors. This video guide will introduce you to a variety of houseplants that not only beautify your home, but also help purify the air you breathe daily. So buckle up. Before we dive in, let's shed light on an often ignored topic: indoor air quality. Clean, fresh air is vital to our well-being, but with surrounding pollution and chemicals, how can we ensure our indoor air remains pure? The answer might be closer than you think. Over the next 5 minutes, you'll get acquainted with houseplants that are not only visually appealing, but also act as natural air purifiers. So stick around. First on our list is a popular and low-maintenance plant, the spider plant. Known for eliminating chemicals such as formaldehyde and xylene from the air, its uniquely arranged leaves also provide a charming decorative touch. Next up is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is resilient to various growing conditions and is said to reduce levels of benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene in the air. Then, we have aloe vera, a plant renowned for its skin health benefits. But did you know aloe vera also helps purify the air from various pollutants? With minimal care required, it's a great choice for beginners. After choosing the right plants, we'll also discuss how to properly arrange and care for these houseplants to ensure they efficiently clean your home's air. And that's a brief look at houseplants that can provide health benefits and beauty in your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest health information, and share this video with friends who might be interested in improving their indoor air quality. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next healthy video.